What's up guys, it's me Endo, but before I actually start the video, I wanted to tell you guys to go on YouTube, search up Big Boy Gary, okay? I know it's a fucking shit name, I know, but like, I just want to see like how much subs we can get him to. Keep in mind this video is short because the glitch or the cheat I found is kinda short, so yeah, excuse that. But because of that, I'm gonna double upload, so yeah. What's up guys, it's me Endo, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to complete KKSlider in literally 2 minutes, or maybe 3 if you're shit like me. So all you gotta do, okay, is find any of those, like try to drive it. But before that, I wanted to tell you guys that I upload a lot of like creative and Fortnite glitch videos and some cheats, for example like scissors cheats, and you know, I upload a lot of those. If you do enjoy my videos, then please consider subscribing to the channel, because I put a lot of effort into them. So yeah, now let's get right back onto the video. So guys, you're gonna need a quad launcher, a quad crusher. What the fuck? I keep confusing them. So when you find a quad crusher, you might be able to do it at the golf cart, because the golf cart at the top of it, it has like a bounce pad on top of it. Or you can use the quad crusher because you can boost. As you see, I'm flying right now, because with the quad crusher you can boost so much. You can use the golf cart to like jump over, but you see here, I'm gonna try, but obviously fucking failed because I'm so shit, okay? Okay, so step 1 to do this quick cheat that helps you finish this game is find the quad crusher. That's it, okay? Oh shit, what the fuck is this fucking bullshit? Oh my god, man. I'm done. So step 2, after you find the quad crusher, actually the golf cart is shit, don't use that shit, okay? Find the quad crusher and go like that and boost as you see. You see how I boosted? I skipped one of the boost pads. If you're lucky, you can skip the other one as well. But even if you don't, it doesn't really matter, because there's one right there, there's like another ramp that you can use, and there's another one to your left. But obviously, because I'm so fucking shit, I can't even drive this shit, man. So if you have problems with driving like me, then you can go to the other side and look, it's easy. And as soon as you pass it, make sure to not get hit, because you don't want to lose it. And there you go. Normally it spawns 2 planes, but you see I only spawned 1 because I had to test it if it worked before, okay? And it worked, it's so sick. So you see, when you get the plane, you're meant to go down, and you see those arrows. Yeah, you're meant to go up. As I said, I'm fucking shit at driving, so ignore that please. And then there you go. GG, you won the game. Other than that, please consider subscribing to the channel. Oh shit! Oh my god, what the fuck did I just do? Other than that, obviously subscribe, and peace out.